Alright guys, with you today here in Solwezi, Zambia. The northwestern province happens to be a heavy rainfall, and I might guess maybe some kind of flood is starting to form or something, because we're failing to walk on the sides of the road because the water is just too much. We need to walk in the middle of the road, but as you can see, trucks are trying to avoid us, but the water is just way too much. I don't know how I'm going to move about this. Guys, have you ever thought, what if Noah or something was kind of a little bit right? Oh shit. Okay, we're just trying to find a way to pass through. Shit. So much water around. I mean, I might just. I'm already wait. Oh, did you see? Oh my god, that was a big one. I'm in an umbrella, but yet I am so damn wet right now. Like, the rain here has been raining for the past, I could say 5 hours. Trying to get home. Home is pretty far from here. Maybe the rain might stop soon or something, but I doubt it, because it's getting bigger and bigger each time. Sometimes it stops. So oh my, sometimes it stops, sometimes it continues. So anyway, that's all I had for you today. Goodbye.